Hey yo guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. What's up? How you guys doing? I'm doing fine. Thank you for asking. I want to start off by saying thank you so much for everyone who's been subscribing to this channel. A lot of you, I don't know, I think this video is pretty viral now. The last shirt, how to customize your own t-shirt at home video I made, that video has gotten quite a lot of views and quite of your attentions, and I really much appreciate the few of you guys that has been subscribing. So keep subscribing, keep liking the videos, and keep commenting, and it makes me very happy, and I feel very into this more. I don't know, like it's just a feeling. So I really appreciate you guys. I don't want to talk too much, but I want to get to this point of the video. So back in 2019, right? 2019 in December, I made a video on how to customize your own t-shirt. A lot of you seen this, like I said, but I just thought I would give you another video of that same t-shirt I made in that video to show you guys how it's been, how like the current condition of this t-shirt, like after I washed it and wore it a couple times, multiple times actually. I was in college, I wore it a lot. Even when I'm home, I kind of like wore it too. And yeah, that was the point of the shirt. Like, you made it for you to wear, and I want to show you guys its condition, because a lot of you guys in the comment sections really ask like, oh, like how do you do this, how do you do that, like what, like the printer, the transfer paper. Like, I want to address some of your questions and see how I may be able to help you moving forward. And if you guys would like, also, I would love to do another video of me customizing another t-shirt. Just, write it in the comment section. Like, I'm open to it. So, and I also have a few more t-shirt that I want to show you guys. These are pretty special. I think they're very important, and you guys would like to hear what like the backstory behind why me and my girl was trying to make those t-shirts. So stay tuned. Please watch through all the way, and I appreciate all of you guys who's been liking the videos, and thank you so much for being here. Alright, so let's get started, right? Back in the summer, a lot of you should be familiar with the death of George Floyd and just how he was murdered by this police officer. If you're not familiar, man, you've probably been under a rock. Like, I would be very disappointed if you don't know this. But there was a lot of protests, there was a lot of riots, there was a lot of chaos in the US, and me and my girlfriend, we wanted to get involved. But again, repping Black Lives Matter is great, but at the same time, I just didn't feel like buying a t-shirt that says Black Lives Matter, or just spending the money overall. Not that we didn't have it, it's just like, why not use the skill that we know? Like, if you know how to make a t-shirt and make your own design, like, why buy one? You know what I mean? So what me and my girl did, Christelle, if you don't know, we just literally made our own t-shirt. So this was mine. This is what I created. And basically, the design here is literally, if you could look closely, you can see that's the United States. Well, it's kind of funky because of the way the letters. So what we did, we went to a Wordle, and this is hers as well. I should show you guys. I'll give you a closer look. What we did, we made a Wordle of all these names of people who's been victimized by police brutality and actually been murdered. And it's crazy because it's a lot of names. There was so many names to choose from. This is not it. There's more names to the list, but the Wordle could only took so much. So what we did, we wrote the names down of these people, and we printed them in the form of the United States, like, I guess, border or whatever. We put the names here, and I think you could find George somewhere. I don't know. Yeah, like you could see like in yellow right here. It's kind of everything is written in cursive, but like you could see the name of George right there. And we wanted to represent the names of all these people. She's worn her shirt more than mine, and she also washed it more than me. And as you can see, it's still in great condition. And I'm telling you guys, this is transfer paper that made this. And as you can see, this is a girl shirt too, so based on the neck. But she's made this with transfer paper. So did I with mine. And look at it. It's still in great condition. And I'm talking back in the summer type thing. Like, back in the summer. We're in December right now. It's been a year since I've made my shirt, and it's time for me to finally show you my shirt. Like, is it in good condition or is it not, right? You guys might be wondering. It's been a year. But look, and you guys know how the shirt looked like, so I can't lie to it. I'm not lying to you. So, as you guys know, there it is. And I'm telling you guys, I've worn this t-shirt a lot. I've washed it many times. Just to show you how, like, I'm not saying like, oh, you should go risk every shirt you have just to, you know, design it yourself. I'm not saying that, don't do that. But like, if you want to create a nice t-shirt, I'm literally telling you, yes, you can. Just have a printer. Any printer, like any printer works. You guys like asked a lot of these questions, but any printer works. Like, as long as it can print, you know, and if it has color, it's even better because you get better quality in your shirt. But a year later, look at it. It's still in great condition, and I think it's only fair if I like put it on and see how, and just to show you guys how it looks like. But as you can see, it's still the same picture I used, which is so weird. But as you can see some like faint like cut in it, like as if like it's peeling, but it's not really peeling. It's just like, because it's been washed so many times, you can kind of see some of the details here being like kind of faded away, but it still kind of add this cool look to it. I think I don't know, like I think that's very, like I think it's really good, the fact that it looks like this actually, because it's like a fading design to it, and it just becomes natural over time as you wear it and wash it. It becomes this, it still look good. Like that's the fascinating thing about it to me. But I just thought I'd share this with you because a lot of you guys liked the video and really, you know, comment and ask a lot of questions, and I didn't want to disappoint you guys not answering some of you guys. But I think it's really cool that if you guys were to try this process, I'm telling you, you're not losing anything. It's fun, and you get to learn how to make your shirt, and it's like time consuming, you know. You were in quarantine, so make something out of it, and I think that's what we did here. So again, the Floyd rapping t-shirt, we went to a protest with this t-shirt on, and yeah, like it was very cool because you have this kind of pride, you know you made this, and it's not nobody has this. And hell, like bro, if I was to give someone this t-shirt, I would. Like it's nice. I still wear this t-shirt, and I'll put this on, but she's not here to put this on for you guys. But I have video of her with this on, and me with this on at the time we made the video. So like,
dis-nous. Ok, les gants, on va un petit ici. Wait. Ok.
Regardez ici, de main.
Ouais. Aidez-moi,
Vamos coisa.
Comment c'est?
Just like.
Ok. Looking nice, looking nice.
Yep. Now let's go beat up some. Nah, we're gonna just go protest peacefully. If shit start to get crazy, I think it's best to stay safe and stuff. So. Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna go see what's going on. You know, we're gonna be just peaceful and trying to be safe and stuff like that.
Okay. Oh, je sais.
What are you doing?
Et j'ai pas trop de bail.
Ngu jacket ba ki signification by Black Panther.
I see you like. You're like in another place, bro. What are you doing? Alright, like I said, guys, I will wear these t-shirts just to show you guys, except Christelle's. I'm not gonna wear it because that's a girl, obviously. I'm gonna wear this one and the old one, the OG video t-shirt, just to show you guys their condition and how they look on me right now. And yeah, let's get to. There it is. There it is. This is the one. I'm sitting right now, so you might not be able to see it as clear, but this is the George Floyd. This is how I went with like in the protest. But yeah, that's how it looks. Ooh, I'm kind of looking. Anyway, this is how it looks on me, obviously. Yeah, and you see like the design, still fresh, still good. I want to give you guys a closer look. As you can see, like the cuts of mine when I did it with the scissor, it wasn't very precise. I just kind of rushed it. But hey, this doesn't peel off. I washed this shirt and it's still great. It is still a t-shirt. Like I can still wear this normally and still be happy and still be fine. Like nobody can tell me anything about it. So yeah. Now I'm gonna wear the other t-shirt, the OG t-shirt you guys are familiar with. So there it is. There it is. There it is. As you can see, still look good with it. I look kind of fit. Okay guys, I'm not gonna lie, I've been kind of working out, so don't judge the way the shirt fits nowadays. I was more skinny when I made this. Obviously, as you guys can see, shirt is still in great condition, and like I said, it doesn't matter whether or not I wash this shirt or I wash the transfer paper, because the transfer paper, it doesn't wash off. Yes, it gets old, it gives that old look, that scrimmy, like it's peeling off look, but that's one of the best thing about it, I think, because it just looks like, it just looks unique, bro. Like I don't know, it just looks unique how all these little scraps, I don't know, that to me, I like it about it, and I really do. And I feel like you guys, it's not a waste of time, it's not a waste of money if you try this at home. And plus, you can do this for the holiday. Like I said, you can give these to your friends, your people, like you can make shirt for family. Like that would be fun. Like I'll do that, like hell. But hey, this is the condition. I'm gonna dress back now because all right, there it is. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I just wanted to give you a quick update on what the shirt is and how it looks like and everything. So just make sure you guys try it. If you don't, it's okay. But if you have any more questions that you feel like wasn't answered in this video, again, comment in the video. Like I have time in my hands, I can obviously do another design if it was necessary, if you guys would want to see that. But yeah, just have fun with the process, man. I think it's really cool. Thank you for watching.